If you're looking for pop-up toasters, here's Amazon Prime Day deals just for you. At any time, just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Morphy Richards. Available now on Amazon. Number 2, by Bajaj. A great deal you shouldn't miss, by Amazon. Number 3, by Pigeon by Stovekraft. Shop for Amazon Prime special deals. Number 4, by Morphy Richards. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 5, by Solomon. This Amazon Prime offer is one of our editor best choices. Number 6, by Morphy Richards. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 7, by Sumeet. Our editor choice. Number 8, by Black Plasticker. This is one of many great products we got in store for you. Number 9, by Bajaj. Check the link below for exclusive Amazon Prime prices. Number 10, by Singer. Amazing Prime Day deal.